Crude oil down 25% from its high of $95 a barrel in late September, dropping to a 5-month low today. Inez Ferre is here with more on today's action. What's been going on? So what's been going on, Inez?
Yeah, Julie, and you have crude oil, which today settled at its lowest since June. So you had government data that came out today from the EIA about inventories in the U.S., and total U.S. inventories came down, but their adjustment factor was the highest on record. That's sort of like to say a margin of error. So you saw crude oil today, which had opened lower. It continued with its downtrend. You have WTI down 4%. You've got Brent crude down more than 3%. Some of the selling that is happening over demand concerns. You've got Asian refineries. Their production is dropping. You also have Saudi Arabia, which cut the oil that it's selling to Asia by 50 cents a barrel. So some demand concerns going forward. I do want to note that I'm just going to pull up a 12-day chart because we had that OPEC Plus decision last Thursday, that they announced some additional cuts, deepening of cuts going into 2024. But the market's really skeptical about whether those cuts were more voluntary, whether they will really go through. So we have seen that actually oil prices, since those cuts were announced last week, that oil prices are down about 6%. They've shaved off about $5 per barrel, both on WTI and also on Brent crude. You had Russian President Vladimir Putin going to UAE, going to Saudi Arabia, all OPEC members, and kind of saying, look, we are all in this together. We also had Kuwait today saying that they are supporting the production cuts. But really, there has been some heavy selling over the last several sessions, guys.
Inez Ferre, thank you so much, Inez. Appreciate it.